Nti adenti na wabafi a wote wo sene obi pamui. O bag so moto mfato ho. Oyi nso no, memro nso, obedidi, nothing.
Me okay. Me ni mood cramp for bibi sa menum bibi anase medi bibi. Me okay free me fie na me buy patcho me hia hwe wo fie ase. How come? Just saying to day untie foto ya carry chewa untie.
Na maye mama.
Dey bi untie wo feel say kwadu ya ye bo kuni. Wo feel say ya asem tre bi on what fun easy. What fun easy. Now feel say me na me be ma na woni meti na bibi say yes ya meka no kra che say ampa me kuni pa na say me cheche nkura.
Mama.
Feel say me anka meka no kra che. Oh, whatever the best BNC, I'm sick and tired of all those things.
How bro for someone.
Do you know how I angry with this? Do you know how I stayed in my room and cried for days? How could you?
Mama.
Only enemy se bone ba ana se din bone no ye ba be coming. E be coming. Nte me ya se me tu fa wuntie. Sister den.
Mama can some show. Ewi asim trato so ho. Yes so moya choma good praise omu nyina no mu difo. Ah? Obu mama okuku asem ode ato nipa so. Enipa ho otan. Me kumene me kuna kasa. Onye hwe. En me kunu ho anibre e wo ne sika kakra wo.
She.
Eden
Na kono. Man who's torn in your wife's head, then you shall see. Adi
bro for kan me say my asem was top. Come on to me.
Once sister mommy can show say me meti wonom no mentna se e manim kwasi we. Because the way see bobo ban so una wonhu ya me dem meti
say your friend is saying bibia to atwa. So you guilty ankoko ye enyi. Enyo no ye na ba.
Oh, sister ho ana ade refi. Ska ho me dem enka asja ya wale because Bible cramp say they sinti diane nam ne so na ebeba no gie. Menka asja yokunu ba mesiro. But na wo fie ene na aye nkurankuro e bedroom re bi na edru pani na eba bedru so. Me pa cho osumbo mayewu. Enye ska.
Mama, enye ska. Won't taste marriage da. Eye for better for worse.
Sure.
Eye for better for worse.
Order.
Enti se papa mu oboni mu e wo so no ku net na wo. Enti chese time ba na na accuse ni for anything you know. Ana mu yam feel comfortable na mo ba. Na me hwe wo school na ko sua sa wo bro fun. Na dey your okay sister, na you okay wo hu. But ene wanya asem. Oba o ne kunu te. Me kunu nya asem apere ma sesa me ne ma na me.
Say
me ko fie. But oba e me hu se bibia me ne na kasa.
And I want to try to say we kun kra ne ba ko pe right. When you be brain na watch a
ma wouldn't say me coffee na yet say
so what
wouldn't say mass was a top
incident
we say kasa be course of
mama kan cho say we na book no sika because me sika fin there me mbu me fanyere
baba you called for a meeting so you never say
okay no mom I hope you know you see me deep down me here rough guys because any part time too much and I'm in there in the so I always say me here rough guys me pay government security so when I passed through the streets and I found out some of the street guys from here hard guys I never managed it because they were street so they are part of us now you see, nipa enye faithful and answer lawyer Emma ne boss on any year juma. At the time our boss no be call problem kitu ebi no, who say that's the end of his life. So you all know say me free if you say buy no. Boys say what me change na no. Omo nyina free me change. So my co-family ni abere place o. So from another kono omo mienu ana me no mo ebetine fia. Na me no mo bitwa na mo ma ho ba mo bi kura mpa aka mo. Enti no me frame wa dia wo no. So guys, me oluma ni me old girl ni na my wife ni. And maximum respect to be a mother mama. Mo benya bi ediamo, especially me who born the one with the cravat. Who have been seen no atna trust me we feel. And our wife feels so the another day obey ama when yaji. So really go. So o ko baby na uhia omo they are available. Yeah. Me old woman so mommy, Poppy, they are there. We enter me some meeting with you.
And my mama crabble.
Papa, can I buy you for a moment?
If anything, I think we can discuss it.
No, I want to buy you for a moment.
Guys, a minute.
Papa, I don't wish my blood flows in your veins. All things be covered, your papa. Oh my baby. If it's a big crowd, at least I saw notify him. Put me for penny, they say no way, because all grown horns. We know what thing by just on your corner. What does not make control?
Papa, what is it? That's a thing. Me show the demeanor, the facial expression, the body language. It tells me a lot.
How much of the woman to?
Yes, I think that's what you need.
I don't know when you can't try and send out over. Look at them. Wait, what we are, Papa? Huh?
Ulman, you shouldn't respect one another. That's one thing I want you to understand in life. Because the one you respect today may become your source of blessings tomorrow. You don't know. And we are a rasta. You don't know their strength.
My friend, they said don't judge the book according to his cover, but I can judge it according to their cover. So there's no respect. That is it.
No, this is my house. I have the power. So if my my employer will be so much I don't have any no, please. They are my boys. They are my boys.
Alright.
And whether you like it or not, they are going to stay in this house with us. If you can't, I can take you to.
No. Tell me that if I can't, I should leave the house.
I am not catching you. I am not showing you out of my house. You are my father.
Okay. And no, I will leave.
Uruman, Papa. I give you that respect. May the mount all the time, and I will continue to give you that respect.
The red that you trusted when I catch him said, maybe it's a bit to me. I'll compare him and baby. Rejoice now. Rejoice. Who did you are? Because you have this house, we build this house so you can do anything that please your right.
My name is Papa J.
And I'm justice.
Come on, Diego. Do you have money? That's how you have money. No, I didn't know how because maybe I'm a demon who made me sick and me dying, and I'm a demon papa me do about him. So and you people who won't go room. No. Talk people who won't room. Talk people who won't come to your room. You don't have to. You don't need to try. You don't have to. No.
And now your papa. And the name feels so funny. To do where we are now so to us.
You see, this is why I did be on my door. Oh, what time it? No matter what time it. So, what time it? I did a woman who knew, cause I tell them, I said, and you're nice. And you're nice. Who knew your best will be that? If you are not willing to talk about her and then it's maybe no more than woman, on the woman, baby, and ask you don't know.
And the four crack, I say, Obinium don't go at the better.
I bet you so.
It also so would be any announced when I would tell. When I go show.
So I want to buy you for a moment.
I can't know the shade.
It is well.
Chamo, yes, sorry. Yeah, you see, I was an intern, me, with my kind, you see. Also, oh, yeah, I quite trouble, yeah. Don't know more difficult, but so who how I be seen and I mean, trust me, we feel or a bad man. And you may go here, funny and there from one, yeah, or a bad man, so who the level. To me, who the level now and pick movement there, trust me, we feel about way difficult. It's a move go how we see it. Yes, I hope they are okay. That's my girl. So, we'll be to now rest. Are you okay?
Yeah, baby.
You don't look happy. Is everything alright?
It's about your guys. It's about your boys.
Why? I don't want to.
Also, the introduction, Mini Poppy, I really didn't like the way I'm acting.
Oh, come on. Almost some day, I'm going to do. Almost. Oh, they didn't know. Never be why you see over fan of mama, but I'm fan of mama. Look, if you are so no, yeah, they are wakuma and be pay. Mind you, there are no fees or what time we're doing home. Allow the person to get it. Share time I mean, issue no. Share me pie free maintain a free maintain ko. Or mamma lose so because of this case here, enter. So at the end of the day, no, Martina say who see any part time. So me penny people will maintain all the time. No, bet me like I guard me, I share me movement near the mama.
But honey, what is so scary around you? We hear that kind of security.
Babe, me kum yes me kum. Who knows the next action I am going to sober? Is it going to be me, you, my parents, or
who are those guys?
Do I know?
No, your guys. Are they security men?
Oh yeah, you see, omo aye security jumani bi, but na private sector, and omo HI. So me na me hear ni some omo idea about security ni I don't know, and I'm my employer. It's not like some of your bad guys be on the street na makwasa so man as say no, you know say me decent, so say na manema no me involve me who, but I trust these guys, trust me. They are very cool. What your appearance now you might think or more say and as say, but they are very cool, very cool. Trust me. What do you do?
Say like parents, aged kaka, when you fear queen, and once I did be your camera or night in your camera, and more drink, and that pressure near their deep and one, how Babeto one house. That's my concern. Me, I don't have any problem with you, and I trust you. When say when you're DVID or how be a brain and all that.
Good.
But I say recently, after the prison thing, why you so scared? People should be around you. When you say now, boys, and I'm you know me, but these guys are well.
Babe, my man can't say me. I'm not a bad person. I am not a killer. But me hear the power in change because I love everybody. Do you understand? And the reason I did about communication say who be a no what rooms and aquabonting. And I hear a man yes say be a me penko for me because me yen my bonny be an answer say obi be ha me an answer baby but dia a see yen among the issue answer. What must say? The see no senka bit me about saying omokwa omunko but matna say as cinema be hu say no me nya yemponi yesi maye na nya say obi hu say me na mabonten a say nipa no be si a react to me enten ma me po obi mfa na mbata me ho se ba no they can guard me. What must say enu ntina ma me do ma ba ha nya say ebi omo ba zon baby bi boni bi anase say. Do you get it? If you don't think about this, okay, so go to bed. Da, okay.
I will say that.
No, something.